We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Road King. This one is in billiard red. We have dual disc brakes in the front with ABS. We have engine guards front and rear, rider and passenger floorboards, locking saddlebags, really comfortable saddle, and a nice tall windscreen. This has the Milwaukee 8107 engine, and miles are ultra extremely low. We're at 4. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.